one thing which is the foundation of every CRM is the contact database. And when you go over here to your CRM menu and you click on contact, you are going to see all of the contacts that you currently have in HubSpot. And this is my HubSpot account here. The foundation of every CRM is the contact, and we should be able to add new contacts and do all of this and do a lot of different things with our contacts in our CRM. And one thing to also note that the contact is the foundational thing before they can be converted into deals, and the contact can also be connected to a company. So for instance, for us to create a contact, we just need to click on create contact. And when you click on this create contact, it is going to bring out a form here where you can be able to add in different details for your contact. So let's say we want to bring in a new contact, and we want to, the email of the contact is emma@gmail.com, and we can say the first name is maybe Emma and the last name is Ferry. And as you can see, we can set the contact owner to be me or whatever user you bring in into your organization. You can also see the job title. You can add in the phone number. You can add in the lead status. Add in whatever works for you. So let's say the lead status is new. Then the life cycle stage is lead. And we can also add in the phone number if you want. And you can also add in the job title if you want. So let's say Emma Ferry is the CEO, and we can add that in. So when you're done, you can click on create, or you can click on create and add another, or you can click on cancel. You can also edit this form. So if you want to bring in a contact into your HubSpot account, you can decide that you want various custom fields to show up. So as you can see, this is all of the contacts or all of the fields details that is going to show up when you want to create a contact. You can decide to bring in more than this if you want. So let's say for contact activities, we will also want to be able to check in their status. You just click on this checkbox here, and as you can see, it is adding the status field. If you want to also check in for contact information, let's say we want to also put in the city, we want to put in the company name, we want to put in the country, and as you can see, as you're adding these fields over here by the left hand side, it is also showing up here. So when you add in whatever field you want to add in, you just click on save and close, or you click on save. So when you click on save and close, it is going to change the layout of your of your contact when you want to put in a new contact. So let's go back into contact, and when we click on contact again and we try to create a new contact, as you can see here, it is going to show up all of the custom fields we just added. So if you type in the email, which is Emma and we add the first name as Emma, and we add the last name as Ferry. And as you can see, all of the things we added in this form, all of what we added, all of the custom fields we added are already showing up here. So you can click on create, or you can click on create and add another. And when you click on create and add another, it's going to create that field, that contact. It's going to create that contact, and it's going to add in another form for you where you can be able to add another contact. So if you enjoyed this lesson up until the end, I want to say a very big thank you for watching this. And also do not forget that if you're having issues with your HubSpot, you can book a free discovery call in the description below, and we're going to help you take a look at your current setup in your HubSpot account, and we're going to help you also to be able to maximize HubSpot to the fullest potential. So book your free discovery call in the link in the description below, and do not also forget to download your free guide, which is going to help you set up HubSpot optimally. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be posting amazing content like this, and we do not want you to miss out. Also, like this video and also share to everyone who you think is going to find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.